What's up guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how I go about creating my vehicle in the Godot game engine. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to properly prepare your vehicle model in Blender for exporting. So your model must consist of 5 objects, which are the body, the mesh of the vehicle, and 4 separate wheels. And you must make sure that each object origin is set to origin to geometry. Lastly, before exporting your model, make sure that your front tire are renamed to front wheel, and your rear tire are renamed to rear wheels. This helps the Godot engine to understand the model a bit better and prepare the physics object for your vehicle. Now let's go ahead and open Godot engine. So I have a main scene here. So I have main scene here with the ground. So let's go to assets and let's go ahead and open Godot. So I already have a main scene with a ground. I've already have a main scene with the ground, and let's make a new inherited scene for our vehicle. Now you can see that our vehicle and let's go ahead and change this type with a let's change this type with a vehicle body, and let's add a collision shape. And add a new box shape. Now we have to add a camera to this scene. So let me start by adding a make it a scene root, and then rename it to car base. Then we can now add our camera to the scene. We are going to use an interpolated camera. The one thing is that this interpolated camera needs a target. We have to assign a target under the track. Let's add another special and rename it to cam target. Let's assign to cam target, assigning it to cam target, need enable Then I select both cam target and interpolate camera and move upwards. Let's rotate this to the y-axis 180 degrees. And then let's preview. Create our script to control the vehicle. Now let's go and edit some properties of the wheel vehicle. Let's edit the property of the wheels vehicle. Property of the wheel vehicle. First, we are going to adjust the radius of the wheel. We are going to just clamp this down. Now it fits perfectly. Another important thing to change is the stiffness. This defines how much the car will bounce. We are going to just set it to 40. Now we can add our script to control the vehicle. Create. Now let's test. Let's take our rear wheel. Let's select our rear wheel and add the vehicle body tab. Let's use as a traction and select our front tire and set as steering, and then now it will be a good time to save our scene. Let's declare some variable here. var speed, var max str angle, steer angle 2.7, and let's set initial set speed at 1, and another variable. That's it. Now add the physics process, add the function physics process. Let's add an input map. If input dot is action press UI up, then engine force equals to engine power. Let's go and create a variable for engine power. Let's set it initially to 35, and then let's make an if statement. I'm just going to copy these statements here. Just copy here and down, then the engine force will be equals to negative engine power. This will act as a reverse and also as a braking system. So as if no button is pressed, then engine force will be equal to 0. Then let's go ahead and to our main scene and instance, car base, and then let's run our thing. You can see now that I'm not doing anything. When I press the up key, this car starts moving. When I press the down key, it stops. If I keep holding it, pressing, it reverses. Now let's make control for our steering, and then steering equals to, let's use the move towards. The first parameter will be steering, and the second will be target. Then the last will be speed times delta. Now let's go ahead and make our variable for inside this function. Let's make our variable target. Target will be, it will be equals to direction times max steering angle. Then the last variable, let's create var dr equals to get action strength. Then you are now we have a moving car. Okay, that's it for this video. Always thanks for the viewing. My name is Demon. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. That's it for this video.